Uh, Thank you, AIOS, for giving me this opportunity for this wonderful topic, actually. So my topic is actually effect on music in an ophthalmic OT. Now, music is a universal language, and it's a very source of inspiration and which is enjoyed by all ages. So there is always a certain level of anxiousness associated with the undergoing type of the surgery, which includes the ophthalmic surgery. So listening to music is known to make people very calm and relaxed. So hence it is very important to know the extent of awareness and the prevalence of it in an operation theater. So the aim of this, can you just minimize this? The aim of study is, you can just minimize this. Just 1 second. Yes, no, this one. Thank you. So the aim of the study was to evaluate the general perception of the effect of music that can have in an ophthalmic operation theater and its impact on the patients, surgeons, and the OT staffs. So the material and methods, there was a questionnaire-based cross-sectional study which was conducted in our hospital, which was answered by the surgeons, OT staff of our hospital. The surgery was done for a period of approximately 4 months. Total 100 candidates took part in this study. The question was evaluated on the scale of 1 to 5 to assess the response of the study population. Now the evaluation scale was: 1 was strongly disagree, 2nd was mildly disagree, 3rd was can't say, 4th was mildly agree, and the 5th was strongly agree. So the results showed like the total number of the, according to the 100 participants, males was 62 and females were 38, and operating surgeons was 67, OT staff were 33. So average time spent in the OT was less than 5 was 22, between 5 to 10 hours was 43, and more than 10 hours was 35. So according to the age-wise distribution, there were approximately 32 staff and doctors between the age of 20 to 30, 33 between the age of 30 to 40 years, 25 between the age of 40 to 50 years, 7 between the age of 50 to 60 years, and 3 between the age of 60 to 70 years. So the questionnaire was based, actually you can see, and there's a long data in this. Basically the question was asked like, music, does the music reduces the anxiety of the patient? Does music reduces the patient discomfort? Does music produces a sense of familiarity in a strange environment for the patient? Does music makes the patient feel less fatigued? Does music interfere with your communication with the patient? Does music improve your concentration in OT? Does music restricts your automated activity while managing complications? And does music interfere with your communication with the OT staff? And music, does music interfere with the sound of your machine too? So in our study, we found that 79% of the study population felt that music reduces both the anxiety and the discomfort of the patient during an operation. 87% felt that music produces a sense of familiarity in a strange environment, such as operating theater. 77% felt that music made the patient feel less fatigued. The OT personnel, 69% of our study population felt that music improved their concentration in our OT. And 38% felt that music interferes with the communication among the OT staff. 40% also felt that music interferes with the sound of various machines that are used within the ophthalmic OT. So again, if you see, like we asked, we made a data actually. So how many people do prefer music in the OT? So out of 100, I think 66% said yes, 17% said no, and again 17% and maybe and may not be. So there were different types of music which were being asked, like which music do you prefer in the OT? So like classical, ghazal, instrumental, and devotional. So the discussion was like in our study, 66% of the respondents preferred to listen music in the operation theater. This was a similar study done by Alman, which showed 63% listen to the music. So 40% of the respondents in our study showed that thought that music can interfere with the communication among doctors and the OT staff inside the OT, which was higher as compared to the other study, which was done by Hochberg. And 79% of our study population thinks that music reduces both the anxiety as well as the discomfort of the patient. So this is probably why currently music is also used as a method of relaxation in all the chemotherapy and palliative care institutions. So music also enhances the tolerance level of the patients to unpleasant invasive procedures. In turn, the patient becomes more accepting and satisfied. Our study revealed that instrumental music was the most preferred music type of within the OT, and 78% felt that they feel music can be played in a low volume. So, so loud music may interfere with the communication with our OT staff members, and therefore playing music inside the operation theater may not be considered as a trivial matter, and the pros and cons should be carefully thought before playing the music. So our study revealed that the benefit overweighted the risk of the playing music in an ophthalmic OT. So these were the references. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Alok. Any questions from the attendees?
It's a beautiful,
Yes, it's a beautiful presentation, and I take special pleasure in it because I always prefer music, and I sing myself many times. That's why I'm called a singing surgeon. And it has got a very soothing effect, and it gives a very neurotic improvement to the patient. It's a very good paper.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Alok, for
Thank
the
you so much,
wonderful
ma'am.
presentation.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Moving